Hello kiddos, let's learn ABCs. A. A is for apple. Apple. B. B is for ball. Ball. C. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. E is for egg. Egg. F is for fan. Fan. G is for gun. Gun. H is for hen. Hen. I is for ink pot. Ink pot. J is for jug. Jug. K is for king. King. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for ox. P is for parrot. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for song. T is for train. U is for umbrella. V is for vase. W is for watch. X is for Xmas. Y is for yacht. Z is for zebra. Thanks for watching Kiddos Knowledge World. Please subscribe for more useful content. Kiddos Knowledge World.